Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm CDL NEPA. Today I'm doing a video for the Tymate TM5 tire pressure monitoring system. I'm going to have this on my Coleman 13R camper today. Let's show you what's in the box. First of all, I've already installed 2 of the sensors. It comes with 4 sensors. My trailer only needs 2, so I won't be using these ones. It comes with the monitor, which you can see all I had to do was screw them in and they were already paired, folks. Now when you install the pressure monitors, these just go on your valve stems. All you have to do is make sure your tires are set to where they're supposed to be. My Coleman 13R is supposed to be set at 65 pounds cold for each of the tires. And so that's what they're at right now, 65 and 64. One's about a pound low, but that's how I know based off of this. I also tested it with my regular tire pressure monitor. So that works pretty good. In the kit, you get a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug, which is also a USB-C. I'm plugged in currently inside the camper using a USB-C cord. You can just screw them on, or you can use this as well. These little nuts here will actually lock it on so nobody can steal them. They come with this included wrench. I did not install those on mine. I may do that later on. You also can mount this on your windshield of your vehicle, and it comes with Velcro so you can mount it to your dashboard of your vehicle. Currently my plan is to mount it inside the camper, but I will see how far we can reach. If you have a longer RV, they do sell a separate kit which extends the signal, but you would have to be plugged into your camper, or if you're doing a semi, some sort of trailer. Of course, one thing I'll show you real quick, sorry about the noise, it's very windy out here today. It does have an alarm on it, so say you start to suddenly lose tire pressure, the sensor will give off this alarm. It'll beep until it starts to read pressure again. So it says on the sensor it has no pressure. So I'll put the sensor back on, and all you have to do is simply hit the set button and you're back in service. Not only does this monitor your air pressure, it also monitors the temperature on your tires. So currently my tires outside right now, they're within a few degrees, 57, 59, but it's a very windy, cold day here. The other 2 sensors are inside the camper. They're 73 and 72. So there is a little bit of variation here and there on the sensor, but all in all, I think this would be a good product to have. You can use this on your vehicle, obviously, your RV. I imagine you could probably use the sensors on your motorcycle as well. Just make sure when you install the valve stems, you have it set at the proper temperature for your vehicle or your RV. But you can pick this up off of Amazon. Currently, they have a sale right now, $59.99. Check it out. I'm not sponsored by them in any way, but this is something you should have to keep your tires checked on your RV or motorcycle or vehicle if you don't already have one factory installed. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.